back to our channel, Little Hands by Vaishvik and Srinithi. Today we are going to do color powders for Holi festival. Let's get started with this color video. So we're taking some cornstarch and then we have some food coloring. We have blue, yellow, and this homemade reddish color which is about to turn pink and it's made out of beetroots. So I can't wait how they will turn out. Let's get started. Okay, I'm taking some. Now I'm adding some food coloring. I'm adding blue. So we're adding 1 spoon at a time, and if it's not enough, then you pour another spoon. And we are mixing by hand, so that's also cool. It's my first time mixing food coloring. Mixing is so good. Fun? Yeah, it's super fun actually. Yeah, it's super fun. I like it because it's like it's going to turn out some color. Yeah. Oh yeah. Now it's done. Yeah, it's kind of like slime. Yeah, it's gooey. It's as gooey as slime, but as soft as rock. Yeah, and it's kind of hard to mix it with a lot of here. Yeah. It's kind of hard. Mix and wow. Mix. They're turning into the original color. Mine's dark blue. Mine is red. Like the roses are red. And the sea is blue. And look, our hands turned too. Yay. Now on the other one. You too. It's so fun. We got blue and red. Hey, again. So let's let these dry for some time. And in the meantime, we'll do yellow. We're both going to do it together. Yeah, like I'm doing all the mixing and Nithi's putting the food coloring. Yeah, food. Now we're going to add yellow. Nithi, you add it. Now I'm going to mix it. Wow, it's turning darker. Wow. The red is almost turning pink. We're almost done. Yeah. Now I'm gonna do something cool. 3, 2, 1. Look at me. So funny. Now let's let the yellow dry. And then we're going to wash our hands again. So you could do it this way if you want. But you could also grind this powder to make it more softer. Yes. Yeah. Like after it dries. Yeah, it's going to be cool too. Yeah. It's always good. Look how beautiful these are. And they're cool. Blue, dark yellow, and some kind of reddish color. These are all organic homemade colors. With these colors you could play Holi. If you like this video, please like, share